Hello, in this video we're going to be creating isometric shape number 10. This one, it's a rectangular prism with this semicircle cut out of it. So again, we're going to use some subtractive techniques and extrude cut this circle out of the center. We could use the hole tool as well. I'm just going to use an extrude cut in this case. So I'm going to go to Autodesk Inventor and I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the XY plane. Looking at the overall dimensions, if we count all the way down, it's 10, a height of 6, and then if we go depth, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we would start out by creating. So again, I'm using the rectangle tool, starting on the origin. 10 is my length. Hit tab, and it's a height of 6, so I type 6, and then enter. Then I finish sketch, and I extrude out a distance of 4, and enter. Zoom out so you can kind of see our object. Then there's a variety of ways you could make that hole. If we wanted to, we could use the hole tool and quickly make it. In this case, I'm just going to do an extrude cut and we'll dimension it to the right location. So to do that, I'm going to start 2D sketch. I'm going to click on the surface. Maybe I'll click on the surface. And we'll start our extrude cut. So in this case, I need a circle. So I'm going to put a circle. I want it at the center point of the circle. You can see it kind of highlights it and makes a green dot when I get to the center. That's what I want. Otherwise, I could dimension it and locate it in that center. Again, I'm using a diameter. And if we look back at our image, we can see that it's got a radius of 3 each way. So if I count 3 each way, or a diameter of 6. So I could type in 6, or I could right click and change it to a radius. So I'm just going to type in 6 in this case and hit enter. It's already located and constrained to the center, so I'm good in that aspect. Otherwise, I'd have to dimension that center to the side as a distance of 5. So then next I want to finish sketch and then just do an extrude cut. So I'll change it to a cut, and I want to cut through everything, so I'm changing it to all. And I hit OK, and I'm already done with isometric shape number 10. Hopefully this is a quick, easy one for you. If you have any trouble, hopefully this video helps, and good luck.